Is July 20th, and we're going to do a nice tour because of the overcast. It makes it a lot easier to see on camera every beautiful thing. We've got our gorgeous red geraniums, third year in a row. We keep them alive in the greenhouse in the winter, as well as these canna lilies and sunflowers over the greenhouse. And look at our happy bumbles. Bumble girl, huh? Just my pretty little bumble girl is so happy on our echinacea. It's bringing all sorts of colorful butterflies, including the monarch. We have a gorgeous little patch, one of many, of red bee balm that we love so much. And we have our little baby fig. We gotta show you how beautiful this little baby fig is. This is the first year we've got a fig on our pretty little fig tree here that's growing so well. He's in his third year. He's really hardy. Comes back after winter every year. He's doing real well. We've got beautiful, good smelling. This is yummy curry. We threw out a couple of Dale's rainbow corn. They're coming up along the onions and the mulberry. And look, next to the daisies here and the beautiful daylilies, our little crabapple is growing little crab apples. And look how big everybody's noticed how big our gorgeous white weeping willow with grapevines growing all over it. We've taken a lot of the sunchokes out because we wanted more sunlight when we planted our beautiful vegetables. We've got peppers of all kinds, tomatoes of all kinds. Look, these black beauty peppers, that beautiful. Look at that huge red pepper in there amongst our beets that we planted. And look at how lush, beautiful the lettuce looks in there. We've got butter lettuce growing in there. Very happy. See, they can grow in perfect filtered light. That's what they love. And our parsley is going to seed. Collect lots of seeds there. We've got a little cucumber growing there, one of many. We've been blessed to get from Accords every year when they do their $1 half price sale. Look at these beautiful tomatoes growing in there. And our beautiful horseradish that comes back every year and makes babies. Amongst underneath here, loads and loads of our Niagara white grapes going along the fence. Even tomatoes under here, with one way down here, look, going red. Isn't that beautiful? More peppers around the corner here. Little red cherry tomatoes. Look at how many. And then next to him, in the shade, we've got this little cucumber. Let's see if we can find him. Let's find our cucumber. There he is. There's our beautiful, he's getting bigger, beautiful happy cucumber. He's just happy to be in that protected shade area. As we have fennel going in the middle. There goes the mare that toured the food for us yesterday. Hi, Mare. And beautiful plants everywhere are growing in our little jungle under the willow tree. Isn't that beautiful? With more peppers growing there. Everywhere we look, we've got lush, beautiful growing plants. More lettuces. Look at how beautiful butter lettuce. We love, that's my favorite. Nanking cherries growing big under here. More peppers. I think those are Hungarian. More life all in here growing all the way through our beautiful jungle. I call it my rainforest. It's one of two that I've created that really grew fast. 3.5 years. And look at the beautiful filtered light that even squash grow very well in. as well as tomatoes. And where's our cute little growing? Where'd you go, my little watermelon? There you are. There's our little beautiful watermelon. And look at the squash plant growing in there. Another one, cucumber there. Everything grows beautifully under here. It's just happy. We've got a pumpkin patch over there. We chopped and dropped our cover crop from winter rye and vetch. And we just planted tons of things into it. More cucumbers there. It's just such a beautiful little spot to be in. Little food forest. This is our kitchen garden. The plants love to grow in this beautiful filtered light. Gosh, everything grew so beautifully. Our rescued crabapple is doing perfect. Filtered light over there. There's a weeping willow here. Also is doing great light for all the plants. We've got a whole bunch of carrots and other radish and potatoes and everything that we planted this year and last year. Now these beautiful rainbow carrots, we're going to get seeds there. Look at the beets we planted, how well they're doing. More tomatoes everywhere. Dale gave us a bunch, and look at all, I got to show you the size of the largest. Hello, come back here. Where'd you go, Mr. Phone? There he is. Phone was shocked by the size of the blackberries, I think. Look at the size. Okay, look at my hand, and look at the size of that blackberry. Look at this one. I've never seen such huge blackberries in my entire life. I mean, the thing, if I put my finger, look at the size of that blackberry next to my finger. Get that one out there. And we got loads of them all along the fence line here. More of them there with our white grapes. We've got boysenberries growing over the archway at the entrance. As we go underneath, cute little plants. See, everybody is so happy under here. They're just growing beautifully. Just so happy everywhere. As we look everywhere. There's thyme patches here. Other little beautiful plants. Look at that cucumber. Where's the little Armenian little cucumbers curling up right there. Everybody's so happy because it's so lush and beautiful in here. They just love it. Under our weeping willow. Beautiful. Look at that little watermelon growing up that. Everybody loves it in here. So that's our kitchen garden tour at Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens and Greenhouse.